Here are 10 YouTube channels, perfect for teaching video essays to your middle or high school students. Number 1, Nerdwriter. Eclectic and intriguing, the videos here cover a wide range of topics, from art analysis to the history of the fidget spinner. And there's an especially astute analysis of Martin Luther King Jr.'s "I Have a Dream" speech.
Here he uses alliteration, 5 words starting with the letter S.
Number 2, Vox.
There are basically 2 types of drivers in the world. There are people who get really upset about all the people driving slowly in the left lane.
These explainer-style videos are great conversation starters and run the gamut from politics to pop culture.
Do you know how these Snapchat filters work?
And since the channel publishes multiple videos a week, there's no shortage of choices. Number 3, Noisy Images. From the poetic rhythms of the Migos to Kanye West's stagecraft, these videos masterfully uncover the social, political, and cultural meanings in contemporary hip-hop songs.
They skyrocketed to mainstream status almost overnight.
But be advised, many videos are mature and only suitable in certain high school contexts. Number 4, Lindsey Ellis.
There's this narrative that's emerged surrounding Netflix's Bright that audiences loved it and critics hated it.
Video essays are just one of the things that Lindsey does on her channel, and she's really great at them. Many of her videos deal with abstract topics, but she boils them down in accessible ways.
I started with the focus on structure because, flawed though it is, the story is there and this could have easily been fixed in the screenplay stage.
Number 5, Genius. With an emphasis on hip-hop lyrics, these aren't your typical video essays, but students could apply the same type of color-coded breakdown and analysis to their favorite songs or poems. Number 6, Every Frame a Painting. This now-defunct channel has 30 videos with some of the best film analysis on YouTube. If you're looking to help students analyze the language of film, this is the channel to check out. Number 7, Captain Christian. Focused mainly on cartoons and comics, this channel helps students see the power of pop culture. Videos that touch on big ideas and storytelling could pair nicely with a creative writing or literary analysis lesson.
You can do Cars in live action or Inside Out as a play.
Number 8, CGP Grey.
On the internet, the algorithms are all around you.
This long-running channel has videos with a fast-talking style and lots of animation, but they explain complex issues in a digestible way and deftly answer common head-scratchers like, what happens if the Electoral College is tied? Number 9, Lessons from the Screenplay.
And what impresses me most about Get Out is how Jordan Peele uses the specifics of the protagonist to unlock new storytelling techniques.
While this channel focuses on how screenwriting underpins film, the lessons offered in each video essay are broadly applicable to the craft of writing in general. And number 10, COGOnada.
The big element, isn't it, of our medium? Kind of the manipulation of time, the perception of time.
Actually on Vimeo and not YouTube, these video essays elegantly edit together film clips without any narration. They're fantastic if you're teaching video and film editing or a film appreciation class. Want to learn more about video essays and how to use them in your classroom? Visit us at Common Sense Education.